I turned $100 into over $1 million all because I started launching my own meme coins. And I'm gonna show you exactly how you can copy me and make thousands of dollars after watching this video. So make sure to stick till the end because I will be ungatekeeping everything. I'm gonna be brutally honest with y'all. I used to spend hours on hours every single day trading meme coins on MemeScope, but every single time I put my money inside a coin, it just keeps getting rugpulled. It's just the name of the game, and that's exactly why I switched to a brand new strategy. Now I can turn $100 into thousands of dollars on demand whenever I want, all because I started launching my own coins. Now, the reason why I switched to launching my own coins is because all I have to do is create the coin, pump the price up by waiting, and then just dump the coin, and I'm walking away with thousands of dollars on every single meme coin launch. And yes, it is fully repeatable. You can do this over and over again until you are satisfied. And I'm going to show you exactly how to launch your own coin and then make some money. But just to be clear, this video is 100% for educational purposes only, so do not copy me, cap. But now, it's time for the fun part, launching your own meme coin. To do that, you want to come to launchtoken.Fun, and here you will be able to create and launch your own coin with no coding required on the Radium DEX, which is 100 times better than Pump.Fun, because Pump.Fun is too saturated, too many coins are being created every single second, and the market caps are not even high enough. I can even prove that to y'all by coming to my Photon trending, and then if I go on Pump.Fun, just look at the horrible market cap, 6k, 5k, 5k, 20k, 20k, they're all under 25k in market cap. But if I go on my Radium DEX, just look at the insane market caps, 500,000, 55 million, 8 million, 2,000, that's bad, 500,000, 2 million, 4,000, and as you can see, I have no filters, so it is no cap. But coming back to the site, you have two different options into making your own coin. You could either create it manually here by pulling the token name, token symbol, and token image. So if a news drop came out, if a big meme went viral, or if someone big and popular tweeted, well, you could come here, make the coin manually, and then proceed and then make thousands. But if you are lazy like me and you want to make some money with no marketing required, you can actually come to the copy coins feature right here, and you can actually copy and duplicate any coins that has a good narrative. Now all these coins here, now in general, all these coins that pops up on the trending tokens tab right here, they all have a good narrative. So by duplicating these coins, you're listing them back up on the Radium DEX, and you are maximizing your profits, and you are guaranteed to make some money. Like, it's actually insane. A bunch of people in my Telegram group are making thousands of dollars every single day. Now, I'm going to duplicate the coin that has a decent reply rate and a last buy from at least a couple minutes ago. So, okay, the Stickman troll right here just caught my attention. It has 120 replies and a last buy 2 minutes ago. So I'm going to create coin by clicking here. After that, I'm going to do, oh yeah, a warning will pop up. This is completely normal. Just proceed and continue. It's just Phantom tripping out. Boom, boom, boom. Confirm. And then your coin should be created shortly. Just be patient, obviously. Now copy here, click on create liquidity pool, and now it's time to make your coin tradable on the blockchain. Okay, so here select your coin, here select your Solana balance, it's already pre-selected, and then here on the under the amount token A, click on max to put the billion coins in the pool, and the amount token B right here is actually the amount of liquidity that you're buying in for your first buy. This is a no loss initial. You can put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 Solana. I'll just put 0.5 Solana because that is what I'm comfortable with. You are not losing this money. This will come back inside your wallet after you remove the liquidity. Here, ignore this. This is just my order position. And then click on create pool. And soon enough, it should be created. Now confirm. After that, here click on refresh. Okay, popped up. As you can see, I'm already $70 in profit within just 1 second. Now click on Photon. Oh, okay, your coin is popped up. Let me go see who bought in because this is actually absurd. Okay, we just got a $7 buy. Okay, we're getting buys in. It's okay, $40 buy, $16 buy. Okay, $1 buys. Okay, bro, this coin is gonna pump to the moon. Like, it's actually insane. Oh, okay, now we're getting buys. We just got another $45 buy-in. Let's fucking go. Come on, pump. Oh my god. Okay, the coin is exploding. We're at, oh, it just dipped. Okay, but anyways, to check your profits, you can come to launchtoken.Fun, click on refresh, and as you can see your profits right here. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna be greedy. I'm gonna remove the liquidity if it comes back like here. Come on, one more, come on. Okay, yo, I'm not gonna be greedy. Come on. I should have removed the liquidity right here, bro. I could have made like $400 more. Okay, I'm not gonna be greedy. Okay, to remove the liquidity, come back to launchtoken.Fun, click on the minus button, do 100% remove the liquidity. Then click on confirm. And boom! We just removed the liquidity, and that's exactly how you print money out of thin air by launching meme coins. And if I open my Phantom wallet to prove that this shit actually works, $440 is inside my wallet, so I made the $340 profit. Obviously I could have made a $800 profit, but I didn't remove the liquidity at the right time. So launchtoken.Fun is linked in the comments down below or in the description. It's the only website that works if you want to make some money. If you want to enter the 5 Solana giveaway, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe, and yeah, bye.